Hello, my name is Elizabeth Cook with SC Works Midlands. I'm super excited to share our January 2022 workshop calendar. I'm going to discuss the employment readiness series that I will be hosting this month. I will be hosting 5 separate workshops that are all centered around getting you employment ready. I will also discuss our SC Works informational sessions, how you can register and attend those sessions to enter the WIOA program. And I'm also going to go over a few of our partner workshops as well. So jumping right in, on the 3rd of January, I will be hosting a Achieving Your New Year's Resolutions workshop. So here we are going to discuss what kind of goals we should be setting and how we can come up with a plan to reach those goals. And then followed by that, on January 5th, I will be hosting a workshop, resume building workshop. So that's going to be hands-on. You are actually going to be creating a resume with me. You will be leaving with a brand new resume in hand. And then on the 10th, I will be hosting a interview prep workshop. So we are going to discuss the most common interview questions, how we should be answering them, how we should be presenting ourselves in interviews, and how we should be communicating. That's going to be followed by, on the 17th, professional written communication workshop. So if you struggle at all with writing emails or memos, letters, this is the workshop for you. So you are going to be leaving with that new skill under your belt, or some tips and techniques for the best way to write those documents. And then on the 24th, we will be ending our employment series with Networking 101. So networking is the easiest and one of the most common ways to land a job. I'm sure you've heard a million times, you got to know somebody. Well, you don't have to know somebody right now, you can just meet somebody. So we will be discussing in that workshop how you can make that happen and the most effective ways to make that happen. So moving on, you can see on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have our SC Works informational sessions. So that is the first step to entering the WIOA program. This program is designed to gain all of our participants employment. So our main goal is to assist you in finding employment. So all you have to do is scan that QR code at the top of the calendar, go ahead and get registered for an informational session. And then you will be assigned to a career advisor. So that is going to be your expert to assist you in gaining employment. I offer those informational sessions at our Lexington office, our Columbia office, as well as online. So all you have to do is get registered and show up. And then as you can see on Fridays, we have SC Works informational sessions, but those are for our Winsboro office. And all of those are in person at their office, facilitated by the Winsboro office. And as you can see right here on the right side of our calendar are steps for registering, as well as steps for joining a workshop. So whenever we have workshops that are virtually, you can just use that link to join. We also have several workshops this month that will be facilitated by a few of our partners. So right here on the 12th, we have 2 workshops, Computer Basics for the Workplace. So that is actually facilitated by our IT training provider. So you are going to have expert instructors that will be helping you hands-on learn computer skills. So if you need to brush up on your computer skills, that is the workshop for you. It is completely free and you get expert tips and advice as well as instruction. And then on the 12th, we also have our Building Your Career in Welding workshop. So that is facilitated by our welding training provider, ArcWeld. So that will actually be Earl Price, who is a master welder. He will be discussing how you can jumpstart your career into welding and how ArcWeld, as well as the WIOA program, can assist you in doing that. And then on the 19th, we have our Zero to IT in 6 months workshop. So again, training concepts will be back here in the office to discuss how you can go from zero to completely certified in IT in only 6 months. So within that 6-month span, you will be ready to accept a job offer for an entry-level IT position. And then we have the 26th, 2 more exciting workshops. Earl will be back in the office at 9 a.m. to discuss how you can jumpstart your career into welding. So if you can't make that 12th workshop, He will be here again on the 26th. And then that's going to be followed by Microsoft Excel Fundamentals. Again, we will have training concepts in the office, teaching Excel skills hands-on. So if you are not too familiar with Excel, or maybe it just confuses you, that is the workshop for you. You will get to learn hands-on how to navigate that application. But that really wraps us up for all of our workshops and informational sessions for the month of January. I'm super excited about what the new year has to bring. I'm hoping that it brings some of you into our office to attend these workshops, as well as informational sessions.